Yes, your end cryptos right here. How do you know the exact price to enter the market? That is what we're going to show you here. So there are basic things we look for. We look for inducement. Inducement is one of the things we look for. So if we have an impulsive move like this, these impulsive moves happen when you mark your valid pullbacks. That is what we explained in the previous video. So let's say this is an impulsive move. The last valid pullback is what we call inducement right there. So you can see the last valid pullback on the impulsive move. That is your inducement. Okay, that's spot right there. Yes, so that is inducement. So we're going to see how to identify this inducement on the real chart. Okay, so and for the downtrend it is similar. So once you mark the valid pullbacks on the impulsive move, you're going to identify the last valid pullback. Okay, so let's say this is our downtrend, this is the impulsive move. Okay, so where is our inducement? Our inducement is right here, the last valid pullback on that impulsive move. So that is our inducement on the downtrend. So I hope this is clear enough. So you can watch this video again. So we're going to look at the real chart so that we can see exactly how we identify inducement. So you can see right there the last valid pullback. Okay, yes, this is a real chart. Okay, so the first thing we do is to mark the impulsive move on the real chart. And how do we do that? We mark the valid pullbacks. Okay, so let's bring that to our 2. Okay, so from the bottom, the valid pullbacks only. There will be pullbacks. If they are not valid, we ignore them. So we can see this move right here. So we are marking the last point below the pullback before we had a break to the upside. So you can see this is an impulsive move. You can see it right there. So this is how it looks. So where's our inducement? This move itself, this is the impulsive move. Okay, so this is an impulsive move. You can see pullbacks, valid pullbacks. Okay, so the last valid pullback, there is our inducement. So it is one of the things we look for before we know where to enter the market. Okay, that will increase our chance of success so that we can take consistent profits. Okay, so this is our inducement in an uptrend. Okay, so over to downtrend. So this is a downtrend, right? So the first thing we do is to mark the valid pullbacks on this downtrend. So make sure you look properly and that you're marking the valid pullbacks. So where the major work is in marking the valid pullbacks. Okay, and make sure you're marking accurately, because any mistake can cause loss of capital. So make sure you're seeing the exact pullbacks, the valid pullbacks, and identifying all of them, marking them out. So make it very clear. Once you do this, you're gonna see the last valid pullback, and that is your inducement. The last valid pullback Okay, so as you can see right here, this is the impulsive move, the bearish impulsive move. So you can see pullbacks, pullbacks, pullbacks. So that's the move right there. So the last valid pullback on this impulsive move is the inducement right there. So you mark it and label it inducement. Okay, so there you have it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. In the next video, we're going to be learning another key thing that you need to look out for before you know where to enter the market. So see you in the next video.